Why do you think Yiddish stopped being taught in the schools?
I think it was practical reasons, not because they hate Yiddish or anything. I think the school had to evolve and teach more technology and computers. And for computers, you need English. And the modern pedagogical ways, you need English. And of course, Israel and Hebrew was very prominent, and Zionist still is, although we stay in Mexico, but we are pro-Israel. So Yiddish was like an extra, was optional. And after being optional, they start losing interest, no? And also there weren't enough teachers. The teachers from the old seminar were passing out, passing away, and the new teachers are learning Hebrew. There's Universidad Hebraica, but teaches not Yiddish but Hebrew. It wasn't a choice of I don't want them, or because they want to throw away the towel. No, it was a choice of practical reasons, I guess.